Good day students. Today we have started chapter number 9, that is linear equation in one variable. In this chapter we will do only exercise 9b. So in this exercise we are given some equations and we have to prove the equality and find the value of x. The first question is x plus 5 is equals to 12. We have already used these operations in the chapter number 6, that is simplification. Now x is equals to 12 minus 5. We have simply transposed this 5 on the right hand side, and as here it is plus 5, and on transposing it will be written as 12 minus 5, that is equals to 7. The second question is x plus 3 is equals to minus 2. This plus 3 will be transposed and the equation will become x is equals to minus 2 minus 3. So x is equals to minus is plus. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And out of 2 and 3, which one is the greatest integer? As 3 is the greatest integer, therefore our answer will be a negative integer. Question number 3 is x minus 7 is equals to 6. Therefore x is equals to 6 plus 7. This minus 7 is transposed on the right hand side, therefore its value will be x is equals to plus 13. Question number 5 is 3x minus 5 is equals to 13. 3x is equals to, first of all we will transpose this 5. So equation becomes 3x is equals to 13 plus 5. The sign will also change. So 3x is equals to 18. Now we will transpose this 3. So here it is multiplied with x. So on transposing it will be divided by 18, and the value of x is equals to 6. Coming to question number 6. It is similar to question number 5. Now question number 7 is x upon 5 is equals to 12. Now here we have to find the value of x. So we will simply transpose this 5 on the right hand side, and we can see that here it is divided by x. So on transposing it will be multiplied by 12, and thus the value of x will be 12 multiplied by 5 is equals to 60. Now coming to question number 8. 3x upon 5 is equals to 15. First of all we will transpose this 5. 3x is equals to 15 as it is divided here, so on transposing it will be multiplied by 15. So 3x is equals to 15 minus 5. Thus 3x is equals to 15 5s are 75. Now we will transpose this 3. So x is equals to 75 divided by 3, because here it is multiplied by x. So on transposing it will be divided by 75. Thus x is equals to 25. Coming to question number 9. We have 5x minus 3 is equals to x plus 7. So in this case we will write down the like terms on one side. Now 5x minus x, here x is positive, so on transposing it will become negative. So 5x minus x, and it becomes 4x. And we have also transposed this 3 on right hand side, so it becomes 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Thus value of x is equals to, now this 4 is transposed, thus the value of x will be 10 upon 4, and on cancellation we will get the value of x, that is 5 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Therefore x is equals to 5 by 2. Question number 10 is 2x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 3. Now first of all we will transpose this 1 by 2 on right hand side. So 2x is equals to 3 plus 1 by 2, because here it is having negative sign, and on transposing it will become a positive integer. So 2x is equals to 6 plus 1 upon 2, because here we are not having any denominator, so we will assume that's the denominator is 1, and the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. When we divide the LCM 2 by 1, we get the quotient 2. Therefore we have simply multiplied 3 by 2, and it becomes 3 2s are 6. And when we divide the LCM 2 by this denominator 2, 2 1s are 2, the quotient is 1. So here we have multiplied 1 by 1. So it becomes 1 multiplied by 1 becomes 1. So equation is 2x is equals to 6 plus 1 upon 2, that is equals to 7 by 2. Now we will cross multiply these equations. So this 2 in the denominator will be multiplied by 2x. So 2x multiplied by 2 is equals to 7. 2 2s are 2x multiplied by 2 becomes 4x is equals to 7, and thus now this 4 will be transposed, and thus the value of x will be 7 by 4.